हेलो दोस्तों, आई एम आकाश पांडे. आई एम a NEET faculty. Okay, today we will see NEET PYQ questions. NEET PYQ. Okay, तो मैं फिजिक्स फैकल्टी हूँ. I teach for NEET, JEE Mains and NEET. We will see PYQ from current electricity chapter. Let's read first question. Three resistors having resistance is R1, R2 and R3 are connected as shown in a given circuit. The ratio I3 upon I1 of current in the terms of resistance are used in the circuit is. First of all, we have to analyze the circuit. Okay. Now, this is R1 resistance, this is R2, this is R3. Okay. Here current is coming I1, across this resistance current is I1. Okay, now current divided in two parts, I2 and I3. Okay, this is in parallel. Okay, so as we know that potential in parallel is equal to, if here is a V potential, then here will be V. Okay, so we can write I2 R2 equal to I3 R3. One information we have, I1 is equal to I2 plus I3, because I get distributed in I2 and I3. Here we go from I1. Okay. From here onwards, we have to find the ratio of I3 upon I1. I1. So first we can find out I3 in the terms of I2 R2 or R3. From here we can write I2 equal to I3 R3 upon R2. Okay. Now put I2 into equation 1. Okay. So we note that I1 is equal to I1 is equal to I2 plus I3. So we find I2 is equal to I3 R3 upon R2 plus I3. Okay. Now we are here to we can write I3 R3 plus I3 R2 upon R2. Take common I3. So I3 is equal to R2 plus R3 upon R2. Okay. Now we can write I3 upon I1 equal to R2 upon R2 plus R3. Now come to C options. Okay. Now option number 4, R2 upon R2 plus I3. Option number 4. Now coming to next question. First read the next question. In the given circuit element given here, if the potential at point B VB is equal to 0, then the potential of A and D are given by, this is V, this is C and this is D and this is A. We can apply Kirchhoff's voltage law. Okay. According to Kirchhoff voltage law, Kirchhoff voltage law, let me explain. According to Kirchhoff voltage law, KVL. Okay. Sum of potential difference in closed circuit is zero. But here not a closed circuit. Let me draw the circuit. First let me draw the circuit. Okay. This is the circuit. This is 1.5 ohm resistance. Okay. this is 2.5 ohm resistance, and this is point D. Okay, this is 2 volt battery. This is point A. Current is flowing 1 ampere. Current I is equal to 1 ampere flowing in the given figure. Okay, we can write, okay, here plus minus because it is a higher potential and this will be in lower potential. Okay, here higher potential, here lower potential, this is lower potential and this is at higher potential. Just go, if we go in the direction of current through resistor, then voltage is equal to minus I into R. Okay, so we can write simply VA minus 1.5 into 1 minus 2.5 into 1. See, lower to higher across cell is positive potential plus 2 volt is equal to, this point is okay, uh, so VD, so we can write VA minus VD, VA minus VD equal to minus 1.5 minus 2.5 equal to minus 2.5 plus to 0.5 volt, means potential at D is 0.5 volt. Okay, now coming to what is the potential at A, then we can simply write VA minus 1.5 into 1 equal to VB. Okay, given that VB is equal to 0, according to question, given that VB is equal to 0 plus 1.5, the VA, we get VA is equal to 1.5 volt. In the given example, VA is plus 1.5 volt, or VD is equal to minus, no minus, not a minus, plus 0 point. Option number 3 is okay. Now next, coming to next question. In the circuit shown, a meter bridge in its balance state. The meter bridge wire has a resistance 0.5 ohm per centimeter. The value of a non-resistance X and the current drawn in from the battery of negligible resistance. We know that meter bridge is based on conservation of, based on balanced Wheatstone bridge. Balanced Wheatstone bridge. In balanced Wheatstone bridge, current through this is galvanometer is 0. Ig is equal to 0. Now coming to, okay, so we can write resistance of 0.1 ohm per centimeter. Resistance of 1 centimeter wire is 0.21 ohm. The 40 centimeter wire is 40 centimeter, 40 into 0.1, which is 4 ohm. Okay, current across 60 ohm is 16 centimeter wire is 60 into 0.1, which is 6 ohm. Okay, apply balance Wheatstone bridge. According to balance Wheatstone bridge, X upon 4 ohm equal to 6 ohm, 6 ohm equal to, let me rub this, 6 ohm upon 6 ohm. Okay, so we get okay, we get X is equal to 6 ohm. Okay, resistance is, this resistance is equal to, sorry, X is equal to, I sorry for mistake, X is equal to 4 ohm. Now coming to the value of unknown resistance is 4 ohm. Now coming to current drawn from the battery. Okay, so we know that 4 ohm and 6 ohm in series. Okay, the net resistance here is 10 ohm and across this is 10 ohm. 10 ohm. Both are in parallel. Then net resistance is R net. We find R net is equal to 5 ohm. Okay, and battery is potential is 5 volt given. The current is V upon R. Okay, the V is 5 volt and R is 5 ohm. The current is 1 ampere. So current is resistance 4 ohm. Current is 1 ampere. So option number 3. Okay, now coming to next question. Okay, in the circuit shown in the figure, the effective resistance between and A and V. Okay, this is A and this is V. Okay, let's assume this point is X. Okay, write in here A, X and V. First, 6 ohm is in between A and V. Let's draw 6 ohm because because potential here is Va and here is Vb. Okay, now coming to this 6 ohm. This 6 ohm is also between A and V. So now draw this 6 ohm. Okay, now come to this 8 ohm. This 8 ohm is in between A and X. So let's draw 8 ohm. Okay, now coming to this 4 ohm. This 4 ohm is in between X and B. And let's draw this 4 ohm. Now come to this 8 ohm. This 8 ohm is also in between A and V. Sorry, A and X. 8 ohm. Now come to this 4 ohm. This 4 ohm is also in between. Okay. Now simplify the circuit. This 8 ohm is between parallel to each other, and this 4 ohm is parallel, and then both are in series with each other. So first write 6 ohm. Now this gives 4 ohm because this is in parallel, and this gives 2 ohms. This is also parallel. This is B and this is A, and now here is a 6 ohm. Okay, now sorry, one mistake. Hmm. Now this is ohm. Okay, 2 plus 6 2 plus 4 is 6. So now all are in parallel. This 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 6 and 6 are parallel. Then net is R equivalent is 6 upon 3, which gives 2 ohm. Okay, that's for today. If you feel good, then also share with your friends. Thanks and have a nice day.